Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fade in and fade out videos in CapCut. CapCut is a popular video editor that provides various editing tools and effects such as cropping, noise reduction, filters, transitions, animation effects, and more. Recently, many users wondered how to use the fade-in and fade-out effects on CapCut. Luckily, this video provides a clear guide for you. Follow these steps to fade in and fade out on video on the CapCut app for Windows. Step 1. Download and install the CapCut app from the Microsoft Store or App Store. Open CapCut and sign in with your account. Then click the Create Project button at the top to create a new project and access the Edit page. Now, click Import to upload your video and drag it to the timeline. Select the clip on the timeline and go to the Animation tab on the top. Under the In category, you can see various effects. Find and download the fade-in effect. Then, click on this effect to apply it to your video. Drag the duration slider to adjust the duration of the fade-in effect. Play the video, and it gradually becomes visible from the black at the beginning. To fade out the video from a point and at the end, switch to the Out section, find and download the Fade Out, and click it to apply this effect. Also, drag the duration slider to choose where you want the video to fade out. These steps makes the video fade in from the starting point and fade out from a certain point to the end point. It's simple to fade video in and out on CapCut. Now it's your turn, and follow the steps and follow the fade in and fade out effects to your video on CapCut. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.